So in this video we are going to understand how we can detect the on back press just like in our native Android applications. So to detect the back button press, what we can do is that I've just created a new screen and we are going to use a widget to detect the back press. So we will give it a body, and the body will contain will pop scope. So the will pop scope needs two things: a function on will pop and a child. So the child will be text, let's say hi. Okay, there's no need of it, but we will have to give a function. So here we want to return a boolean. Okay, so what we can do over here is that I'm just going to log my message, and the log will be, let's say, back press. Okay, and the next thing I want over here is that I'm going to return false. So by returning false, I'm basically disabling the app from going back. Okay, so it's just like stopping the app from going to the previous screen, okay, or just closing the app. So it's just like navigator.off context.pop. So what I'm doing over here is that I am basically disabling the ability of my app to pop the screen. Okay, so what's over here? Okay, so yeah, it should work fine. Let's just restart my app. Okay, the high is printing, and I will do the back press gesture. Okay, so when I do the gesture, the back press is logged in my console. It can be checked. So this is the way how we can implement the on back press, or we can check when the user presses the back button. So this is all for now, and its usage can be that we can create another function over here and just provide it to on will pop. I've done the simplest implementation. So the next thing we can do over here is that we can also create a function that will prompt the user to press the back button 2 times to exit the app. So it can also be done in this scenario, in this particular scenario. So whilst this is the simplest implementation as of now, so thank you guys.